Chemical properties of metals.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Reaction of metals with water. Metals react with water and produce metal oxide and release hydrogen gas. These metal oxides, if dissolved in water, forms metal hydroxides. Reaction of highly reactive metals with water.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Some metals such as sodium, potassium react violently with water and the hydrogen released immediately catches fire. That is, 2K plus 2H2O gives 2KOH plus H2 plus heat energy. 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2 plus heat energy. Reaction of comparatively less reactive metals. When calcium reacts with water, it produces calcium hydroxide, and when magnesium reacts with water, it produces magnesium hydroxide. In both reactions, the hydrogen gas released stick to the metal surface. Thus, metal floats on water. For example, Ca plus 2H2O gives CaOH2 plus H2. Mg plus 2H2O gives MgOH2 plus H2. Reaction of moderately reactive metals with water. Metals like aluminium, iron, and zinc react only with steam to form respective metal oxides. For example, 2Al plus 3H2O gives Al2O3 plus H2. 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Reaction of least reactive metals. Metals such as lead, copper, silver, and gold do not react with water at all. Reaction of metals with acids. Generally, metal react with acid to form salt and releases hydrogen gas. Reaction of magnesium with acid. Most metals like magnesium react with acid to form salt and releases hydrogen gas, which is tested by burning. For example, Mg plus 2HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. Metals react with dilute nitric acid. Some metals react with dilute nitric acid, HNO3, and produces salt, and any of the nitrogen oxide, N2O, NO, NO2, and water. Cu plus 4HNO3 gives CuNO3 2 plus 2NO2 plus 2H2O.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now. Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.